Hey, family, welcome back to another episode of Journey to Harmony. I'm your host, Richard Harmon. On this channel, we talk about wealth building, we talk about possible career opportunities, as well as how exactly our everyday opportunities help to make us more into the person which we were created to be. Today, I want to talk to you guys just a little bit about penny stocks and just in terms of overall investing into the stock market. So, I recently, probably within the last 6 months or so, began my stock market investment steps process. Just learning more just about the overall process and how I can look to gain and grow wealth. So overall, and many people know about real estate. We know about business and things like that, but the stock market is always something that's kind of um, you know distant and away from us. So in terms of the stock market is kind of used as a opportunity for us to buy a portion of ownership into a company. So if you're out there and you're familiar with building your own company, in that company you're going to gain your own equity from there. You're going to gain your own ownership. You're going to spend a lot of time on it. You're going to do all these different things. While that may be good for some people, other people want to be a little bit more hands off and just have a portion of the share of a company. So what they do is they go out and they buy a certain amount of shares in Tesla, in Apple, in Microsoft, and then they're able to own that share. And as the company grows, their overall investment in that company grows as well. So now, in regard to that, what are penny stocks? Penny stocks are known as stocks that are under $5. So these are opportunities for people who might not have tens of thousands of dollars to be able to earn, grow, and develop their wealth in these small investments. So if you're looking for an opportunity to take, if you say I have $500 and I want to invest that, um, there's opportunity for you to buy some of the larger stocks, but you might be able to buy, maybe one or two stocks, at the $250 or $150 mark for some of these companies. But if you're able to get into the penny stock purchases, exactly again, all of these things, all these opportunities, they are in particular, there's some risk with everything. I would advise you to speak to a financial advisor. But in terms of this, if you're looking to purchase a penny stock, you could purchase something. There's stocks for as cheap as you know 10 cents or 20 cents a share. So if you take that $500 or $100 and you purchase $100 worth of shares for there, that's a significant portion of those shares right there. So what happens a lot of times, these penny stocks, there's if any little bit of information that comes off that happens well. So if you're a small company, you initially have one contract that you're working with. You have a contract for maybe $1 million, $2 million, $10 million, and then you do well in that contract, and your sales team is able to gain another contract or two additional contracts. That news becomes huge in terms of your stock price. So you go from 10 cents, 20 cents, 40 cents a share to now 80 cents a share. So if you have $300 or $500 in the stock market at that point, that money can double, triple, or quadruple, or even more from there. Sometimes 10x your money. So a lot of times for those who are looking to gain in leaps and bounds, they go ahead and they get into these particular investments. While this is good chance for the upside, there are also cases for the downside. So if you do put your money into that, understand that there's a possibility you could lose your money. That company could be bought, and whatever price you're at could be paid out to you in that amount, or they can go to zero, and then all of your money's gone. It's just important for you to know exactly what you're looking for. So many different companies, they start off at $1 a share, $2 a share, and then they go off to $150 a share. And if you have invested in these particular things, these are great opportunities for development. What a lot of people try to do is they take, $1,000, $10,000, and they spread it across a bunch of different stocks. You go out, you buy, for it's a share, it's 50 cents. You go out and you buy 700 shares of that. And if that stock goes from 50 cents to $25, you gained an enormous amount of money right there. So this is just some basic information about this process. Again, if you're looking to learn more or to grow, if you're looking to start your investment process, I'll add my link in the description to Robinhood, and you can go ahead and join from there, and you can begin your journey. All in all, once again, this is not particularly advice, just some information in terms of what penny stocks are. What are your thoughts on this? Please comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Anything else? Have a blessed day.